What's going on, guys? In this YouTube video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can make $50 to $100 per day right here, right sitting right here, literally in your office, in your living room, okay, in front of a computer, and for free, okay? You don't have to have a ton of money. You can essentially have $0 for everything that I'm about to show you, okay? Really quick, obviously if you are committed to this, definitely stay for the full length of the video, okay? I'm gonna make a bunch more videos very similar to this on how you can make money from your computer, right? And how you can make money from multiple different other things, as I own multiple different companies. So first and foremost, obviously if you are committed, then you are going to smash that subscribe button, okay? We are working on building a massive YouTube following here, so super excited about that. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, okay? All right, so first and foremost, we have Pierfly, okay? Most of you guys probably don't know what Pierfly is. If you do know what it is, then let me explain to you how it works and how you can make a little bit of money doing it, okay? Again, this isn't something where you're gonna make millions and millions of dollars, but it is a phenomenal place to start building your brand, right? Understanding business and really just making some money, okay? So Pierfly, basically, its basic form is getting paid to get people essentially to visit a link, right? To go somewhere to do something, okay? But rather than getting paid when they purchase, which is how normal affiliate companies work, if you're familiar with like affiliate marketing, network marketing, okay, anything like that, obviously you only get paid when somebody actually buys a product or a service, okay? With this, you're actually getting paid a small amount, basically when somebody just visits the page. They don't necessarily have to buy anything. Where this would work very well is maybe a website like Fiverr or Upwork, which I'm going to talk to you guys about here in just a moment, where basically you're getting them there, and then from there they can choose to take action or not to take action, but the likelihood of them taking action is pretty high, which is why you're going to get paid regardless, right? I would imagine that on the back end, the thought behind this is that these people that come and visit a website like this, they now have that data, and they're going to do a bunch of retargeting. So if you're wondering like how it makes financial sense, at its basic form, I would imagine that that's how they're doing what they're doing, okay? So that's Pierfly, right, guys? We're looking right at it. You can apply today, okay? Basically, you have custom tracking platform, a ton of offers, right? Payouts, training, tools, rewards programs, accelerated payment options. I mean, there's a ton going on here, and you can definitely earn some money. So, it right here, right? If you're a blogger, you're a marketer, you have an Instagram account, okay, even if you only have a couple of hundred followers on Instagram, this is definitely something that you could do, okay? All right, option number 2 that you can do is, it's called Duda, okay? I'm probably pronouncing that wrong for those of you guys that are familiar with the website. If you're not familiar with the website, you're definitely gonna wanna pay attention to this one. So pretty freaking cool. Basically what it is it's website templates, okay? So you can actually start a free trial, obviously right here. I would imagine that once you start making money, starting the free trial for 30 days is going to allow you enough time to make some money with what I'm about to tell you to do. And then obviously the plans are not that expensive. We will go over to it and check it out really quick. So again, we're looking at like $14 or $11 per month, okay? So super inexpensive. You're gonna make a lot more money than that. And what I would do here if I were you is I would basically go to businesses, right? Go to people that do not have a fully optimized website, right? Or their website looks like crap. Maybe they have a really good website on like a computer, right? On desktop, but not on mobile, okay? What you can basically do here is you can say, hey, look, I noticed your website, it's not fully optimized. Maybe it's running slow, it's blurry, right? Whatever the case is, and you can actually buy essentially or build a templated website, right? So you don't have to be a genius to do this. You don't have to know how to actually build websites, but essentially it will optimize for an iPad, obviously tablet, phone, Android, okay, whatever, and desktop, okay? So you can build them a really clean looking website, okay? If you notice here, like look at this one right here, here I can actually preview this for you, okay? And it's a super clean looking website that basically takes you 20 minutes to build, okay? It does not take you a lot of time, and hopefully your client will be super impressed, and then you can just upcharge, right? Create arbitrage because you're familiar with this and they're not, okay? At the end of the day, it is a total win-win situation. All right, number 3, I'm gonna jump over here to Fiverr really quick. This is something you guys are probably all familiar with at this point, but if you're not, obviously Fiverr, right, is basically a place where you can freelance, you can take what you know, and you can offer it to the world for a cost, okay? So let's say you know how to do logo design, graphic design, copywriting, basically anything, okay? There's a million different things you can do. I mean, you can do voiceovers, right? We have people do all kinds of different stuff for all kinds of different reasons. I pay for this personally every single day of my life, and you can sell your product or your service right here. Sorry, not your product. You can sell your services right here on Fiverr. Okay, so again, this is a way to make fast, easy money, $50 to $100 a day, no freaking problem. Okay. All right, number 4 goes hand in hand with Fiverr. I wanted to mention it really quick. It is called Canva. This is one of those things where maybe you just know somebody that wants a logo, right? They want some sort of graphic design, right? There's one of a million things you could do on here. Maybe it's YouTube thumbnails, maybe it's Instagram stories, maybe I can literally think of a million different things you can do. And essentially you can come here, create a free account on canva.com, and you could just design it yourself, right? It's so simple that you really don't need to know what you're doing here. Unlike Fiverr, you probably have to have a little bit of a better idea of what you're doing. As opposed to Canva, you could probably wing it, make it look good enough. It's free, right? And then you can obviously, again, just create that arbitrage, and you could literally do this every single day. Guys, just with the 4 options that we've kind of talked about so far, obviously I have 3 more to go really quick. There's really no limit to the amount of money you can make, right? Like I'm talking $50 to $100 a day, because I'm thinking maybe you just do this for an hour a day. But again, guys, I mean, you could probably make $500 to $1,000 a day by doing some of this stuff. Okay, so this is literally a no-brainer, especially if you're just starting out as an entrepreneur, you're trying to figure out a way to make money online. Guys, I mean, I'm telling you right now, this is absolute gold. I would definitely continue to watch this video to the very end, okay? Okay, guys, number 5, really quick, I'm gonna hop over here to Adfly, and essentially what it is it's very similar to Pierfly, where it's basically cost per action, okay, where you're getting paid per action that somebody takes, okay? So how this works basically is they're actually placing like a 5-second ad in front of whatever it is that you're about to send somebody, okay? So you're getting paid 100% of the time. So what I did was I came over here at Fiverr, I copy and pasted the Fiverr link, I hopped over here, I can do it one more time just to kind of show you guys. I shrank this, right, and ultimately I got this link. Now I could literally send this link to somebody else, friends, family, if you have a little bit of following on social media, and you're gonna get paid a small amount of money every time somebody actually goes to this link, okay? Guys, again, this is a simple, easy way to make some extra money. I encourage you to sign up. Obviously, read through the terms and conditions, see if it's something you're interested in, but at the end of the day, there's a lot of money to be made here, okay? All right, guys, number 6, and probably one of my more favorite ones, is called Flippa, okay? Essentially what this is, this allows you to sell almost anything online, which is pretty freaking cool, okay? I mean, guys, you could literally sell an established site, you could sell a starter site, you could sell apps, you can sell domains, right? There's literally nothing that you cannot sell on Flippa.com, okay? There's probably a lot more money to be made here than $50 to $100 a day, so you are welcome. But guys, I mean, take a look at this really quick, right? I mean, look at all these things that you could buy. You can watch it. It's kind of like eBay used to be back in the day, essentially. You can buy a starter site, an established site, right? Another thing that you could do here is you could buy a starter site, make it better, and sell it as an established site, okay? So guys, this is kind of a no-brainer. I mean, you could literally probably hire VAs to help you. There's a million different ways you can make money with Flippa.com. Highly encourage you guys to go check this out, right? Search through things. They have a valuation tool. You can do Shopify sites, Amazon FBA sites. There's basically nothing you can't sell or flip with Flippa.com, okay? So go check it out and let me know what you think. And last but not least is number 6, and that is GoDaddy, but not in the way that you think it is. It's basically the auction section of GoDaddy. And essentially what it is you can actually bid on domains. You get the domain, and then you could resell that domain at a higher price to somebody else, okay? So these are things where you're gonna want to look at what's trending, right? You can go to different websites, you can see what's trending on YouTube, what's trending on Google, what's trending on different platforms, and then ultimately you can just use your best judgment, okay? Figure out what you think people are looking for, what people might want in the next year, in the next 2 years, what the next hot topic is, the next trend might be, and guys, essentially you're flipping domains, okay? It's very similar to flipping cars, flipping houses, or something like that. Guys, that wraps up the video for today. Again, if you haven't already, definitely go smash that subscribe button, okay? I'd really appreciate it. And guys, let me know what you thought about this video, okay? If you like this style video, I'd be happy to do more. I know I do a lot of vlog stuff. I try to do a lot of real estate stuff, but I do own the ATM company. I do own the marketing agency, and we're actually looking into like 3 or 4 new companies to buy here soon. So again, this is how I started. I started with things that were very simple, right? I kept it very simple in the beginning, and I think you should too. So guys, with that, Austin Zabak out.